Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you install a Verizon Fios cable box. So here's a guide for your Coax, HDMI activation and channel scan. Step 1. Connect the cable box to your TV. Turn off your TV and connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on the Fios TV box. Connect the other end to an available HDMI port on your TV. If your setup requires a coaxial connection, connect the coax cable from the wall outlet to the cable in RF in port on the Fios TV box. Step 2. Connect the cable box to power. Plug the power adapter into the Fios TV box. Plug the adapter into a wall outlet and wait for the box to power on. The startup process may take several minutes. Step 3. Select the correct TV input. Turn on your TV. Press the input source or HDMI button on your TV remote. Select the HDMI input where the Fios TV box is connected. Step 4. Activate the cable box. Follow the on-screen instructions. Sign in to your Verizon account if prompted. Wait for the activation to complete. This may take several minutes. Step 5. Pair the Fios voice remote. Insert the batteries into the remote. Follow the on-screen pairing instructions. Test the remote by changing channels and adjusting the volume. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.